Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to Google Drive. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.